Welcome to the first in a series of short video clips designed to help you get up to speed with the AidaWeb Smalltalk web application framework. These videos will start off easy and progressively delve deeper as they take you through this powerful object-oriented approach to web development. Today we will simply introduce you to AidaWeb and show you how to get your own local site up and running in a matter of minutes. Ada provides a powerful mechanism for simplifying the inherent complexity found within multiple interacting objects. Since Smalltalk objects maintain their own state and respond to requests, AidaWeb uses this power of Smalltalk to simplify the building of websites, providing dynamic content with persistent state management. Ada has been ported to all the main Smalltalk dialects and is available on all major operating systems. Let's have a look at some of the other sites that are already implementing Ada. The Squeak Smalltalk website is running on Ada, as is the Swazoo web server. Indeed, the Swazoo web server is itself built into Ada, so when you start an Ada image, you get the Swazoo server up and running by default. You will see later that our demo site that we're going to use is built on and makes use of that Swazoo web server. Here are some other sites. There's Chateau Les Villettes, a chambre d'hôte in France, and we have some consultancies, TSR and Nets.si, the latter of which shows the multilingual capacity built into Ada. Okay, let's get started by going to the download button on the AidaWeb site. You'll see there that there are instructions to download and install Ada from your preferred Smalltalk dialect. What we're going to do is to take the easy route by making use of the Ada one-click image, which is built on Pharaoh, in its own right a superb example of open source community development. So what we'll do here is simply click on the link, and we'll be given the option to download a zip file. Take that and pop it into your preferred directory. Okay, so once you've downloaded the zip file, unpack it using your preferred extraction tool and go into the newly created subdirectory. If you're using Linux as I am, you simply click on the .sh file or .link file, I believe, if it's Microsoft, and voila, you have a Pharaoh integrated development environment up and running. So you've got a Smalltalk image running on your desktop, which will automatically start a Swazoo web server and that itself start the Ada demo site. Let's test this out by going to a web browser and having a look at the demo site, which you'll find by entering localhost :8888 into your address bar. Okay, now you can see the website is up, and we have our welcome page with the introduction and congratulations indeed. You've just got a new Smalltalk image running, and you've got a website, your own website, running in your browser with a local server. Now what we can do is to explore this page for a few moments. We can look at the left hand side underneath the list of demos and explore JavaScript, Ajax, and all of these features are built into Ada, which is part of the power of the framework. The first thing we'll look at is the calendar demo, so click on the calendar link underneath demos. This is an example of one of the many widgets that are built into Ada. So now I have selected the grids link, and we can see do filtering, sorting, checkboxes. Next we will select JavaScript. Here we have a few simple examples of JavaScript to demonstrate that it is straightforward to embed JavaScript within the AidaWeb framework. and as the page points out, you'll be able to go and see examples of this within the web demo application class. Finally, by selecting the Ajax link, we will see more examples of a simulation of a client-server update. Then another nice feature is the pop-up windows. Users find pop-up windows much friendlier than going to a new page because it keeps them in the same context. Under the Ada links on the website, you'll see opportunities to go to the main website itself, and I will particularly draw your attention to the link to tutorials. This is an excellent page, help you develop your domain models and take you through the creation of your first small application. So going back to the front page, again I recommend you look at documentation, have a look at some of the screenshots and the various success stories. Finally, the community is an important part of Ada, and where you will be made welcome, whether you are a novice coming fresh to Smalltalk and web development, or whether you have many years of experience. Either way, your contribution will be welcome, and you can be sure that support and help will be available to you. In future videos, we will be developing the demo website to show some of the capacity that Ada brings and to help you on the path to developing your Web 2 interactive website. Thanks very much for your attention.